Welcome everyone to POV Skincare. Today we will talk about the ordinary glycolic acid. So this toner helps actually with dullness, with like rough textures on the skin. So I've experienced that on my forehead. And this toner is actually a nighttime toner, which means you should not use this in the day because it makes your skin very supple and then therefore making it sensitive to sunlight. And I use this actually 2 to 3 times a week, and it has AHA, that popular red ordinary product. But one thing that is not discussed with this product is the mixing. So you cannot mix this with other exfoliants like retinol, and you can't mix this also with vitamin C. Actually, any acidic toner can't be mixed with vitamin C. Also not mix this with niacinamide. So that's a lot of products that you can't mix this with. So my solution to that is to make sure that I only use the ordinary by itself after I've cleansed my face at night, and everything else that I want to use, like the niacinamide and the vitamin C's, I use in the morning so that I make sure that they don't mix in my face. You don't also want to over exfoliate with all of the products that you place. But I've found this to be very effective for me. I've seen results and less rough textures on my forehead after 2 times of use. So thank you very much for listening to this POV, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.